Solving multi-step equations. We're going to try it out using this little trick that we learned today in class. So let's go step by step. Let's start with step number 1 is to distribute. So I'm going to go ahead and look at example 1. And I see there's parentheses on the left. There's no number in front. But remember, when there's no number, there's a 1. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute that -1. So I'm not doing anything with my 10. I'm bringing that down. My -1 goes with my 6. And my -1 goes with my 1m. And I didn't do anything with this side. So the only thing I'm focusing on right now is simplifying this and this. So I'll simplify that. -1 times 6 is -6. -1 times 1m is -1m. And anything I didn't touch, I'm just bringing down. All right, so now I have variables on both sides, which is what we looked at before break. And when I'm doing this using my little trick, I'm going to keep my letters on the right side. And my numbers on, I'm sorry, I said that wrong. My letters on the left side, make sure you're filling in your steps up top. And my numbers on the right side. All right, so the first thing I'm going to scan for is those letters. So I see a letter right here, my -1m, so I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to cross it off so that I know I already used it. On the right side, I see a 3m. But remember, if I'm crossing it over, when I cross the middle line, I change the sign. So now I'm going to change it to a -3m. All right, let's take a look at numbers. I see 10, but I'm crossing over, so it's going to be negative. I see -6, but I'm crossing over, so that's going to change to positive. And 4 is positive, and it's staying on that side, so that is good. All right, step number 3, write your simplified equation. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to combine like terms. So first I'm going to combine my letters, -1m and -3m. That gives me -4m. And now I'm going to combine my numbers. I'm just going to type this in my calculator. -10 plus 6 plus 4 is actually 0. All right. And then I'm going to go to my last step. Last step, whenever I'm trying to get the variable by itself, is to divide by the number in front. This cancels. I get m equals 0. All right. Let's go ahead and try number 2. So, our first step is to distribute. And I didn't do anything to the side, so I bring it down. I'm going to simplify what I distributed. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times -9 is -63. And I'm going to bring down my right side. All right, now I'm ready. I want my letters on the left and my numbers on the right. So letters, I see a letter here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and write those on my letter side. Okay, did I cross the line? Yes, I crossed the line with my 8R. So I need to make it opposite. It was positive, now it's negative. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my numbers. Those are going to go in my right side. Negative 63 and positive 39. Did I cross over the line? Yes, my 63 came over, so I'm going to make that positive. Once they're on the same side, we are going to simplify by combining like terms. 42 take away 8. Go ahead and put that in your calculator. And the right side, same thing, calculator. And our last step, divide by the number next to the variable. All right, I want you to go ahead and try number 3 and number 4. Using what we did in the first 2. Now, I'm going to stop the video here, so I want you to try this on your own. But I will be checking it when I check for your video. See you tomorrow.